Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the dialer and go to your contact list. Now let's find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it, and choose this edit icon right in the middle. Now let's tap on the profile icon, and as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option if you've got the person right in front of you and you can just take a photo, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option. Here we have to decide where we want to complete this action. So I will pick the gallery always, and here we have to just find the photo we would like to edit and tap on it. Right now we've got again, we have to actually decide where we want to crop the photo, and this time I will pick Google Photos. Let's tap on Always and tap on OK. And as you can see here, we can adjust the size of the square. You can zoom in, zoom out, change the position of the photo. So thanks to this, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this square is responsible for it. You can rotate the picture if you want to, so just set it like you want, and if you're ready, tap on Done. Remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied to the contact, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.